Okay guys, I want to quickly walk us through on how we can get Pycharm and Python stored on our computers. Okay, as a software engineer and you want to go into Python programming, it is very important you know how to install and launch your Python inside your computer system. So today I'm going to be walking you through. So the first thing to do is to go to your Google and type python.org. Okay, so when you type your python.org, if you want to go to download straight ahead, you can include the download, and if you don't want to go into the download straight, you can just remove the download and hit your enter button. Okay, so once you hit your enter button, the next stage you'll be taken to is here. So this is the main official website of Python. Okay, so once you click on this download, or when you hover around it, you'll see when you hover on this about, you'll see all about the Python page. When you hover about this around this downloads, you also see all about the downloads. When you hover around this documentation, you will see all about the documentation. Okay, so when you hover around these downloads, you will see all the releases, you see source code, you see the Windows, the different types of operating system that this Python can work with. Okay, so the latest version as far as today is concerned, as at the time I made this video, I actually worked with Python 3.9, and today we're having Python 3.10.6. okay, so this is the latest version for the Windows operating system. If you're using Windows, if you're using Mac or any other operating system, you can select that here. It's very simple. This is Windows, this is Linux, Unix, and this is Mac OS and all that. So any other operating system that you're working with, you can select that here. All right, so me, I am using Windows 10, so I'm going to be working with Windows 10, but it's virtually the same. Okay, so once you click on download here, you'll be taken to the official download page where Python will directly download its software into your system, like I have done here. Okay, so if you observe down here, you will see that I've downloaded the executable file of Python. So once I run through the administrative what is it called, installations, I will get Python installed on my system. Okay, so after installing Python, the next thing I also want us to walk through right now is the software that will enable you to code in Python. Okay, so there are so many other programs, there are so many softwares, but personally I prefer to use the Pycharm because it's very easy, self-explanatory. It has some tips that can enable you to code very well, and some built-in functions that are very good as a beginner. So I advise you go for the Pycharm software to help you code with Python. There are so many other ones like the Tony and the Notebook, but I prefer to use the Pycharm. Okay, so like we did before, you also go to Google and type the Python. Okay, you can type the Pycharm on your Google and a lot of options will come up, and I would like you to go for this first one, the best Python IDE. You might be wondering what is an IDE. Okay, an IDE is the short form for integrated development environment. Okay, and it is a software application that provides comprehensive facility to computer programmers for software development. Okay, so once you go for this, the next thing you will do is to see yourself on this page. Okay, the next place you'll be taken to is this place. Now this is where you are going to download your Pycharm. This is for professionals. This place is where professionals who buy the Pycharm software for professional usages, this is where they can go for theirs. But you, as a developer that don't want to go into the professional aspect of this, you can just download the community version. It is free. It has almost everything that the professional version has. So once you click on this download button, I already have it, that's why I don't want to download directly anymore. So once you click on this Python, it will walk you through on how you can actually download and launch this Pycharm. Once you are done downloading all the software that I've just walked you through on how to download, the next thing we are going to be doing is launching each of these softwares on your system and getting ready for Python programming activities. See you on the other side. Take care.